பிரைஸ் த லார்ட். சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் யாவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நண்பர்களே, கிரீன் அக்ரி கிளப் சார்பாக சேவா ரத்னா அக்ரி டாக்டர் ராஜ்குமார் தலைமையில் ஆக்ரா கோட்டை பார்வையிடப்பட்டது. முகலாய மன்னர்களான அக்பர், பாபர், அவுரங்கசீப், ஷாஜகான் ஆகியோரெல்லாம் இந்த கோட்டையிலிருந்து தான் இந்தியாவை ஆண்டார்கள். இது யமுனை நதிக்கரையில் உள்ளது. இங்கிருந்து பார்த்தால் தாஜ்மஹால் தெரிகிறது. கைடு அருமையாக விளக்குவார்.
Fort. Agra Fort. Not Red Fort. Red Fort in Delhi, the second capital of the Shah Jahan. In this Agra Fort, they built by 4 Mughal generation, 4 Mughal empire, 4 Mughals king. They started by Akbar. You know Akbar? Akbar was the 3rd number ruler of Mughal dynasty, same king AD. Then his son Jahangir. Grandson Shah Jahan, who built the Taj. Then great grandson Aurangzeb, he built this fort. Father, son, grandson, great grandson, it took complete 1660. Total it took built 95 years. Within 4,000 workers every day work here. 4,000.
ஒரு நாள் 95 வருஷம் ஆயிருக்கு இந்த இது வந்து. அதாவது மகன் அவனுக்கு பையன் அவனுக்கு 4 தலைமுறையா இதை கட்டியிருக்காங்க.
Then before they spend of Agra Fort 3.5 million rupee. Rupee at that time, now is no idea, madam. Because of Agra Fort more than 500 years old. First he built Agra Fort, later in Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, religious complex, tomb and mausoleum. Graveyard, nobody lived there. Then everybody live in Agra Fort. Agra was the capital of Mughal dynasty. All countries ruled from there. So this is the royal residence, royal house where emperor used to be lived and control of India. Agra Fort total area is 2.5 kilometer around, then 94 acres. But now the 80% part of the fort they occupied Indian army. For new soldiers they get the training inside. That's why the section are closed, not allowed for the visit. By chance enemies they try of the fort, so they had heavy stone rollers on the top of the gate, like a rolling ball. They roll down in this slab. They kill off the enemies. Nobody can't enter inside by the enemies. Another things he had, there are 2 balls. Between the wall, inside lot of channel. So one side they flow the hot water, then one side flow the hot oil. And they take fire to protect. Nobody can't enter inside the fort. Let's see the floor cutting. This is not decoration, not design. This is the grip for the horses. Emperor, they used to be horse, camel, elephant. They could not sleep here. Everyone got it? Any doubt, any query, let you ask me. I will tell you. Thank you.
இது எனிமி சிரமம் அங்கே ஒரு வழியாக என்ன பயம், தீ கொடுத்து விட்டுட்டா அங்கே யாரும் போக முடியாது, அங்கே தீ பிடிச்சிட்டே கிடக்கும். மேலே என்ன வச்சிருக்கா என்ன பயம்.
The royal palaces. That is the palace where emperor used to be lived inside. That is the palace. So this is the main entrance and this one is the exit gate. You take a round like in this circle. In this back part they occupied military, now still use it.
அதான் அங்கே நீங்கள் பார்த்தா கோட்டை அரண்மனை, இது வெளியே போகிற இடம் சரியா.
Let's see the first building. That is called Jahangir Palace. Jahangir is the 4th number king of Mughal dynasty. Akbar's son, father of the Shah Jahan, used to be lived here. Then all fort, that is the single building they made of red sandstone. Otherwise inside lot of places they made of white marbles. Because number 3rd and 4th king Akbar and his son Jahangir, he loved in sandstone. Akbar, grandson Shah Jahan, who built the Taj Mahal, he was the number 5th king of Mughal dynasty. He loved in white marbles. That's why inside many places they made of white marbles. This is red sandstone. They came from Fatehpur Sikri, 45 km from in Agra. Another one, white marbles, they came from Makrana, Rajasthan in Jaipur, 250 km from in Agra. Let's see, have a look inside.
Yes. Ma'am, this.
Three stairs in outside, then 3 stairs inside. 5 feet deep, 8 feet length for one piece, no joint, one block, one rock. Emperor Jahangir, he used to take a bath within rose water. Within harem lady. You know harem. Your language called, I think, Antapuram. Unofficially and legal. Not much, just 350 ladies. But originally it was used in the palace inside, now moved there by the ASI department in display purpose. In this bathtub, they gifted by Raja Man Singh in Rajasthan king, brother of the Jodha Bai. Before this bathtub, outside they used to be.
இந்த இடங்களில்தான் ரோஸ் வாட்டர் தயாரிப்பதற்கான ரோஜாக்கள் இங்கு பயிரிடப்பட்டன.
They took it, everything, then one palace are demolished. Let's see in the last corner, there are some foundation, that place called Akbar Palace. Akbar used to be lived here. At that time, this bathtub used in that palace inside. Now moved there. Got it? Front section was the bedroom of Emperor Jahangir. Just this open courtyard, no door of at that time, there used to be curtains hanging over here. During the emperor, it was decorated, much beautiful cushions, carpets, they decorated also nice furnitures, but now royalty are gone because of time. You can see, have a look inside, small holes are there. That section was the cross ventilation for make a cooling. Not electricity of before, everything manually, then naturally. Then totally carved by hand in without machine. In no cement in 15th century, how can fix up the stone? So these are all for interlocking system. Each one they are interlock inside. On the pillar, let's see, that is the Persian design. Geometrical pattern and symmetrical design, totally Persian art. They brought from Persia by Humayun, 1555. Everywhere you could see this design are same. Then opposite section was the dining hall of the emperor. He used to take a food inside. There are also kitchen, but now still is closed, under restoration, under repairing. That's why closed now. This all platform was the dancing hall of the emperor. He used to be sit on the top. That another seat they used for his ministers. That one is small windows for his wife. These are all small arts they use for harem ladies.
Harem ladies.
Harem. Antapuram. Watching from there. If you want to take a time here, let's take some photos here. Then next we are going another part. This Agra Fort, sir, they surrounded by 2 moats and 2 walls. Agra Fort, they had covered of 2 moats. Let's see you getting down from here. Outer was the watermost field. They keep crops. One second was the inside dry mode. They keep 4 wild animals, tiger, lions, 2 covered of the fort. Nobody can't enter inside. This is the protection of the fort.
இங்கிருந்து பார்த்தால் தாஜ்மஹால் தெரிகிறது.
Now, sir, in this section known as Summer Palace. Summer Palace natural air conditioning system, like AC, wiring. In this whole section, they made of limestone. It is called chunam. Then on the top, and bigger water tank, water store on the top. Then summertime inside the wall, water field there. This is wall like a boxes, hollow, empty inside. The water field inside the wall, fresh air could come, keep a cool for whole section. And limestone, the absorb of the water, keep cool. But during the emperor, it was decorated of beautiful painting. This type of painting and this type of carving. And this wall is hollow, empty inside, sir. There are 2 walls. The water field inside the wall. Keep cool. Let's see from here. In the window. I will see you. Then last birth when she died. She was 39 years old. Same lady, she had 14 children, but 8 children when she died in delivery time. She alive only 6 children, 4 son into daughter. Then last son, Aurangzeb, he killed our 3 brothers. He became a king. Our father put in the jail. Shah Jahan, he was kept in this fort by his own son Aurangzeb. He had 2 daughters, Zahanara, then Roshan Nara. Both daughters are unmarried. So this is the palace of Shah Jahan, elder daughter. Her name was Roshan Nara. This palace shaped in palanquin. Top, this is the metal, not gold, but before they used to be gold plated. Now this is the metal brass. Then same structure, white marble building in left side for another daughter, Zahanara. Again you see from here Taj Mahal. Let's come for
வெள்ளை மார்பிள் குளிர்ச்சியாக இருக்கிறது.
அது வழி வராமல் உள்ளே இருக்கிறது வேண்டி அதில் வந்து தண்ணி நிரப்பி முதலைகளை பிடிச்சி உள்ள விட்டுட்டாங்க. அது வழி யாரும் உள்ளே வர முடியாது. நம்ம வீட்டில் இப்போ நாய் வளர்த்துட்டு அதே இது வந்து ஒரு இல்லூஷன் பில்டிங் மாதிரி. இங்கேருந்து இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்கும்போது தாஜ்மஹால் வந்து சின்னதாக நம்மளுக்கு தெரியுது. சரிங்களா? இதுக்கு இன்னொரு போர்ஷன்லேருந்து இன்னும் இந்த பில்டிங்கோட இன்னொரு போர்ஷன்லேருந்து நம்மளுக்கு பார்க்கும்போது தாஜ்மஹால் ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்கும். அதுதான் அந்த காலத்தில் உள்ள அவங்களோட இல்லூஷன் பில்டிங், இல்லூஷன் டெக்னாலஜி. அந்த காலத்திலேயே அவங்க வந்து அந்த ஒரு இதில் கட்டிடுறாங்க. ஜாமெட்ரிக்கல் டிசைன் எல்லாமே அதனால
லென்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜி.
Okay, let's see.
மற்றவை மற்றொரு நாளில். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.